So I just found out that work on Project Aston Martin has to cease immediately. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here with Aston Martin Von Panda, and this is my DB7 here. Haven't had it that long, but I wanted to let you know that I have to cease work on this immediately. So Aston Martin of England apparently knows how to send cease and desist letters. No, I'm totally kidding. Aston Martin hasn't seen these videos, and they don't care about me, and they really probably don't care what you do with their cars. But I did buy this car, and I had it for a little while before I started doing any work on it. One, because you had to shake it down, drive it, get to know it, figure out what needed to be worked on, and all of that. And I did share that on social media, so on my Instagram page, you might have seen that. I was teasing it for a little while. But I did have someone say, hey, apparently, this is a car that they want, and maybe they have their own car wizard or something like that. They're going to get it fully restored. Maybe they're just going to part it out. Sounds like they want to go ahead and continue the work on this and finish it up. I am not the warranty, and despite my best efforts to abide by the rule where you are supposed to wrench every day, I made a deal with this fellow, and the car is sold. So that means that he is getting it in as-is condition. Everything we've done so far has really just been cosmetic, and I was looking forward to getting to some of the heavy-duty mechanical stuff here pretty quickly, but unfortunately, that is all going to have to go to someone else. So while it was fun to have this little girl in the shop here for a little while I still like the looks of it, and while it was my first Aston Martin ever, she will go off to a new home here very, very shortly. So, wanted to give you an update on that. So, as of now, I'm going to go ahead and stop working on this car, but that doesn't mean that we are going to stop working here in the Panda garage. In fact, I have been looking for a new project car, something that I've always wanted to lay my mitts on, but have never been able to do it. And maybe, just maybe, I'll be able to get my hands on one of these unicorns so that we can start working on it here in the garage. Anyway, stay tuned for that. If everything comes together, I might be teasing that on Instagram too. But looking forward to starting a new project very soon. And to Aston Martin Von Panda, it's going to be hard to say goodbye, but we'll do it. Heartbreakers, get used to it. Don't hate the player. Hate the game. Hey, if you want to pick up your own Aston Martin or want some Aston Martin gear, I'll put links to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
Bye-bye, love, I'll catch you later. Gotta let foot down on my accelerator and a rear view mirror torn off. I ain't never looking back, and that's a fact. We can discover more and explore so much deeper.